Vanuatu's organic farms are a foodie's paradise, offering a unique blend of farm-to-table dining, sustainable agriculture, and a deep connection with nature. With over a decade of expertise, Far and Away Adventures crafts custom tours to showcase the best of Vanuatu's organic bounty. The ideal time to visit? During the seasonal harvests, when the island's flavors are at their peak. The farm-to-table experience in Vanuatu is an immersive journey from seed to plate. Visitors can participate in daily farm operations, harvest ingredients for their meals, and enjoy dishes that reflect the day's harvest. It's an educational adventure that connects you with the land and its caretakers, offering a deeper appreciation for the food we eat. Vanuatu's organic farms thrive on rich volcanic soil and tropical climate, yielding a diverse array of seasonal produce. From sweet summer mangoes to hearty winter root vegetables, each season offers its own gastronomic delights. Plan your visit to coincide with these harvests for the freshest taste of Vanuatu's agricultural heritage. Cooking classes in Vanuatu are a hands-on affair, with local chefs teaching you to prepare traditional dishes using the freshest organic ingredients. From market visits to tasting sessions, these classes are a chance to dive into the heart of Vanuatu cuisine. And don't miss the tasting tours where you can indulge in the finest local cacao and coffee. Vanuatu's organic farms are a testament to sustainable practices, with many embracing regenerative agriculture to improve soil health and biodiversity. Visitors can learn about crop rotation, composting, and other techniques that contribute to a healthier planet. Eco-friendly farm stays offer a chance to live these principles, providing accommodations that are in harmony with the environment and local culture. In conclusion, Vanuatu's organic farms offer a foodie's adventure like no other. It's a journey of taste, sustainability, and cultural immersion that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether you're harvesting fresh produce or learning to cook traditional dishes, Vanuatu promises an unforgettable experience for the eco-conscious traveler. Book with a Vanuatu specialist at Far and Away Adventures.